Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Okay. It's an early Christmas for me. I am here. I have partnered with FabFitFun. I am a brand partner, and they sent me a box, and I'm going to open it as if it was Christmas morning, but it's at night, and it's not Christmas. We have about 3 weeks till Christmas, but to me, it's Christmas. So I'm going to open this box. I have not opened it yet. This is literally, as you can see, the seal is not broken. So I'm going to discover this box with you. FabFitFun. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Well, so excited that I turned the camera around. I'm very excited. You guys know that this is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49.99. They support a lot of women entrepreneur businesses and nonprofit businesses. You get full-size stuff for merchandise from anything from cosmetics to fashion, lifestyle, wellness. So, it's a win-win. I gotta say, guys, seriously, I'm not, even though they sent me this box, I'm just saying to you guys that, this is the best gift, because who doesn't want to get a box of goodies? Okay, I'm going to open it really fresh right now. So fresh, I hope I can get it open with this. Let's see. Hey, Len! Oh, wait, never mind. I got it. I thought I needed a scissor, but I'm good. Thanks. I'm opening a FabFitFun box right now.
See?
Yeah, come sit with us. It's like Christmas morning. This is my daughter, everybody. That's Lenny Bell. Okay.
I think they all know.
They all know. Okay. All right, let's see what's in the box. Shall we? So first is this, FabFitFun. This is Brooke Burke. And it's a maglog, a magazine catalog that tells you everything that's in it. Ooh, there's Thrive. There's so much good stuff. Is this Stella? Yep. I didn't even have to look. This is a full-size Thrive Cosmetics highlighting stick that I am obsessed with. Stella, I actually just ordered this from Thrive and just got it, so I'm going to put on a little bit so you can see. You know how you want to get that, really pretty glow in your eyes? Lenny, you have the glow. This is how you get it, or over the bow of your lip. That's how you get it.
I don't think I have it.
You do. You're angelic and gorge. So this is a full-size Obsessed. Nice. I just ordered this from, so now I got another one. But I'm very excited because I use them on my clients and myself, and I like to have one for my kit and one for my personal makeup. Okay, next, let's see what's in the box. This is the Coconut Sugar Marisol Beauty Sea Whip Body Cream from Anthropologie. Look how pretty the packaging is. It's like a mermaid. Let's try it.
Mermaids too.
Mermaids like FabFitFun as well.
Can you put it on?
So it's a body cream, so we could put it on our hands if you want. So let's try a little here. So you just put a little on your hand, and let's see what it feels like. You go like this. It's like when you're dry. Doesn't that feel good?
Basically moisturize.
Moisturize. Exactly, Lenny, you're learning. Smells really nice, doesn't it?
It smells like the candles that we have, which smell really good.
Yeah, see that? Can you get in there? Can you get in a little bit? Are you being shy? Okay, so that's a full size. Look how big this is. Again, $49.99. I'm just reminding you that this whole box is. It's kind of crazy. Okay. Oh, and look, I got a $60 gift card for HelloFresh. You also get a lot of, that's the other thing. Not only when you join and sign up for these boxes, you get a lot of flash sales and different, ins and odds. Oh, first box is for $39.99 if you use my discount. Thank you. You pulled that out. This is, let's see what this is.
It looks like slipper.
Oh, it's gloves and a hat. Wait, gloves and a hat? Dude, loves it. Okay, so this is from Bear Paw. Guys, it's so cold. Look at this,
It
Len.
actually is pretty good.
Oh, and look, these are gloves. And you know what I like to call these? Texting gloves that you can close them so we can actually keep opening the box and be super warm. So your thumb is encased, but your top fingers aren't. So if you need to text, you can text. Okay. Next. Ahava Hydration Cream Masks. I'm a huge fan of Ahava. I have been for a very long time. And this is a great mask. It's full size, 3.4 fluid ounces, so this is amazing. So, loves it. What's next, Lenny? Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. love. This is a great palette.
Can I say? So
Yeah.
we have glitters. One's called Charmin.
One's called Alluring, Confident, Strong, Fabulous, Gorgeous, Natural, Free, and Pure. Kind of like everything you are.
We should look at it though.
You want to look it up? You got to open it.
Can I?
Yeah, open it up and I'll look it up. While you're opening, I'll get some. Oh, a full Bite Beauty Emouge Boost
Try
lipstick.
it on me.
Try it on me.
Wait,
I'm going
I
to try it.
open it, though.
This is in meringue.
You try it
Let's
on.
try meringue. Oh, this is a good like neutral.
It might be ripped a little bit because I can't open stuff too
Oh, that's so pretty. Sorry, my back's giving out a little bit. Gorge. Gorge, gorge, gorge. It's like Madonna. Music and the people come together. Yeah. So here is the palette. This is a good palette, Len. This is like a perfect neutral palette. Very good. I still can't believe, guys, again, $39.99 for this entire box. Get this for anyone. This is such a good gift. Okay.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna.
I promised that I wouldn't use my teeth to open things anymore, but now I kind of feel like I should.
You could have just asked me to open that because I can open stuff without using my teeth.
Okay. Obsessed. Look at this. That is really pretty. I'm gonna put it on.
It's like I'm more mature than you.
You kind of are.
Interesting.
Oh, do you want to do one?
About the palettes.
Okay, so these. Okay, you get four black hydration eye masks.
Can I put them on for my eyes? Because I actually do that kind of stuff.
Here, you have sore eyes. All right, so this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna open them. So you like open that little thing. Simon actually in my live last night did one. But this, they give you 4 of them. Did it plop out? Fly out? Okay, so they're like fish. You got to catch them. Look, left eye. I've partnered with FabFitFun to show you what's in their latest seasonal delivery box. And it's more than a box. It's a club, guys, because you get a lot. Isn't the necklace so cute? You get all this stuff, and I'm just, if you go back, you can see it's 4:30 in the morning in Canary Island. So you need these eye patches. These feel great.
Yeah,
Please tell me
nice.
what hooded eyes are. Hooded eyes are when this part acts as a hood and sits on top of your eyes, so they're heavy, so you don't get to see a lot of this eye part. That's what a hooded eye is. I just got my brows microbraided, so I'm going to show you guys. Let me see, Len. You're so cute. You don't need those, but we'll just do it because it's fun. Lenny, look! Keep in touch. Follow us. This is Mark and Graham, and this is a Mark and Graham, I think it's a throw. Personalized gifts. Let's see.
Soft.
Oh, that is soft. Let's try it. Let's get comfy.
Is
So,
it like
again, $39.99. Oh, it's a little blankie.
So it's like winter stuff we have for now.
Oh, I think it
So
might be a scarf. Is it a
Scarf.
blankie or no? This is a blankie.
This is definitely.
I
So
think, yeah.
I think each holidays they give different packs.
Yes, and it's like lifestyle. It's wellness,
So
lifestyle.
Christmas they would probably have gloves, all that kind of stuff. On like Halloween they would probably have like other stuff, like dark eyeshadow and stuff.
Okay, I just want to make sure I took everything out. That's everything that was in the FabFitFun box. Well, let me just go over really quick again. So we
Yeah,
got this
go
nice throw. We got this great necklace. How cute is this necklace? It's a Lenny Kravitz blanket scarf. Yes. Mark and
Lenny
Graham.
Kravitz.
This very comfy. I got these gloves, this little hat,
Hey,
this
Mom.
Ahava hydration mask,
I have a
this
question.
Maracy coconut sugar body cream.
Mom, I have a question.
Sure, boo.
Can you sleep in these?
No. It's like 15-20 minutes and you take them off. They feel good though, right? The Thrive Cosmetics, my favorite, Stella highlighter.
like
Pure, crushing it. Bite Beauty. I mean, you have everything you need for a look. It's kind of amazing. I mean, this is a really... So again, $39.99. What did I say what my code was? Jamie.
Box is this?
That is a good question. It's this one. It is their latest that's dropping really soon. the holiday one. This is a hat, right? Isn't it cute? And it's you can still have your thing. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
We're so cozy with our Christmas tree.
And you're not sharing a blanket with.
We got our. I am not sharing my blanket with my daughter. I shared my eye patches. The winter box. It's the winter box. I'm telling you, and I'm not just trying to. I am getting this for like everyone because I think it is the best gift. Like you get so much. Who wouldn't like everything in this box? There's not one thing I don't like.
If you want to get this, if you want to get this box, put in subscribe to Jamie right now.
Oh yeah, Jamie 10. Go to FabFitFun, Jamie 10.
Also, put it in right now. Like type it in. That way we know.
Also, I'm gonna post a picture of me with all this amazing stuff. Lenny too. You want to be in my picture?
Sure.
Okay, great. We're going to post it on the feed. Comment below and tell us why you love this box and get it for anyone on your list. $39.99 is like a perfect price point with the discount. But for $50 too is like a good price. I mean, that's kind of like an average, really good gift. All right, I'm going to post. This is on now. I'm going to cut this so that we can watch it on YouTube if you missed any of it. And I'm going to post a post on my feed. So please comment below. Also, don't forget to go to jamiemakeup.com and sign up to be on my crew because I could send you, maybe I'll send you a FabFitFun box just out of the blue because that's what we do. How about you? Get them to discount the year. I'm working on that, Rachel. Promise you, I'm getting one for my neighbor. Yes, server chick. Get them, guys. They're so good. I really am obsessed. Have a great night. Thanks for joining. We'll see you tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.